Decommissioned F-16 Fighting Falcon aircraft arrive outdoors, beginning controlled dismantling under open American skies. Technicians separate F-16 Fighting Falcon wings carefully, preparing airframes for systematic material recovery. Landing gear removal continues as F-16 Fighting Falcon structures are reduced into manageable sections. Tail sections of F-16 Fighting Falcon aircraft are lowered for further dismantling operations. Fuselage segments from F-16 Fighting Falcon units are divided following controlled safety procedures. Internal systems are removed from F-16 Fighting Falcon shells for responsible recycling processes. Sorted F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap piles begin forming across the dismantling yard. Cockpit assemblies from F-16 Fighting Falcon aircraft are removed for material separation. Engine housings are detached from F-16 Fighting Falcon mud frames under careful supervision. Organized dismantling creates structured F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap zones across the yard. Control surfaces from F-16 Fighting Falcon wings are separated for recycling preparation. Final inspections ensure complete removal of recyclable elements from F-16 Fighting Falcon bodies. Structural joints of F-16 Fighting Falcon frames are separated for downstream processing. Complete dismantling leaves F-16 Fighting Falcon aircraft fully converted into sorted scrap. Scrapyard phase concludes with F-16 Fighting Falcon materials ready for transport. The F-16 66 to Mountain F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap is loaded onto trucks for factory transportation. Loaded trucks depart carrying dismantled F-16 Fighting Falcon materials toward processing facilities. Transportation phase moves F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap along American industrial routes. F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap arrives at processing facility exterior unloading area. Transport phase ends as F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap awaits controlled unloading. Unloading begins as the F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap is staged outside for initial handling. Outdoor handling organizes F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap before entering controlled processing areas. Inspection teams verify F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap condition prior to processing entry. Prepared F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap advances toward factory intake systems methodically. Scrap loading continues as F-16 Fighting Falcon materials enter preliminary processing flow. Conveyors initiate movement of F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap toward internal processing. Steady conveyors transport F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap in a controlled industrial rhythm. Human oversight ensures uninterrupted F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap movement along conveyors. Scrap approaches factory threshold as F-16 Fighting Falcon materials remain unprocessed. Transport phase completes with F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap entering processing operations. Processing begins as F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap moves through internal conveyor systems. Size reduction prepares F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap for deeper material transformation stages. Material separation isolates steel content from F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap efficiently. Aluminum fractions of F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap advance toward transformation systems. Scrap processing concludes as F-16 Fighting Falcon materials reach transformation readiness. Melting begins as F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap transforms under controlled extreme heat. Liquid metal forms as F-16 Fighting Falcon scrap reaches complete transformation. Refinement ensures F-16 Fighting Falcon material meets aerospace-grade quality standards. Careful transfers stabilize molten F-16 Fighting Falcon material for consistent composition. Thermal conditioning prepares F-16 Fighting Falcon material for controlled solidification. Casting begins forming standardized F-16 Fighting Falcon raw material shapes. Controlled cooling stabilizes F-16 Fighting Falcon material structure during solidification. Transformation phase yields solid F-16 Fighting Falcon material, ready for preparation. Inspection confirms F-16 Fighting Falcon material integrity after transformation process. Prepared F-16 Fighting Falcon material advances toward raw preparation operations. Cleaning systems finalize F-16 Fighting Falcon material for precision processing. Raw shaping begins defining usable F-16 Fighting Falcon material dimensions. Prepared F-16 quality checks verify F-16 Fighting Falcon raw material readiness for manufacturing. Preparation phase ends with F-16 Fighting Falcon material cleared for fabrication. Manufacturing begins as F-16 Fighting Falcon material becomes precision components. Component shaping refines F-16 Fighting Falcon parts for structural integration. Automated systems enhance accuracy, producing F-16 Fighting Falcon components consistently. Completed components await assembly within the F-16 Fighting Falcon workflow. Assembly preparation organizes F-16 Fighting Falcon components into build order. F-16 Fighting Falcon structural assembly commences under controlled factory conditions. Wing integration advances F-16 Fighting Falcon assembly toward full airframe form. System installation restores functional capability within F-16 Fighting Falcon structures. Outer panels complete the F-16 Fighting Falcon airframe structure. Structural completion marks a restored F-16 Fighting Falcon airframe. Inspection confirms structural integrity of the rebuilt F-16 Fighting Falcon. Finishing processes refine the F-16 Fighting Falcon exterior surfaces. Protective treatments prepare F-16 Fighting Falcon for operational durability. Finishing phase concludes with a fully restored F-16 Fighting Falcon. Restored F-16 Fighting Falcon enters controlled storage awaiting deployment. Storage phase maintains finished F-16 Fighting Falcon readiness. Dispatch preparation begins for the restored F-16 Fighting Falcon. Factory dispatch moves F-16 Fighting Falcon toward distribution channels. Securing procedures protect F-16 Fighting Falcon during transportation. Factory phase ends as F-16 Fighting Falcon leaves manufacturing site. Arrival marks delivery of restored F-16 Fighting Falcon to operational facility. Careful placement ensures F-16 Fighting Falcon readiness within service environment. Administrative closure confirms restoration completion for the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Completed F-16 Fighting Falcon stands as result of full recycling process. Final inspection ensures operational readiness of the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Deployment transition begins for the restored F-16 Fighting Falcon. Secure transport maintains safety of the F-16 Fighting Falcon. F-16 Fighting Falcon reaches operational location following restoration journey. Positioning completes the transition of F-16 Fighting Falcon into service. Support systems finalize readiness of the restored F-16 Fighting Falcon. Integration confirms the F-16 Fighting Falcon returns to operational role. Routine checks validate performance of the restored F-16 Fighting Falcon. Stabilization period ensures safe operation of the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Visual confirmation highlights the successful F-16 Fighting Falcon restoration. Clearance marks completion of the F-16 Fighting Falcon deployment process. Day concludes with F-16 Fighting Falcon ready for future missions. Silhouette symbolizes full life cycle renewal of the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Ambient environment reinforces realism of the F-16 Fighting Falcon journey. Steady framing emphasizes authenticity of the F-16 Fighting Falcon process. Recycling cycle completes with a fully restored F-16 Fighting Falcon.